Hi guys, I have a new shape I want to teach you today. That's right, a new shape. Are you guys ready for him? His name is Randy Rhombus. Randy Rhombus. Can you say rhombus? Yeah, I bet some of you in preschool called this a diamond. Did anyone used to call this a diamond? Yeah, well, a big mathematical term for a diamond is a rhombus. That is the mathematical term, rhombus. So the poem goes like this. I'm Randy Rhombus. I have 4 sides. All of them are diagonal lines. Do you guys know what a diagonal line is? Yeah, it's slanted. It's not straight, it's slanted. This is a straight up and down line. And if we go like that, they're diagonal. Like the roof of a house has diagonal lines. Well, a rhombus has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and all of them are diagonal. Now, the other day, we learned about another fun shape called a trapezoid. Do you remember Travis trapezoid? Well, Travis trapezoid is different from a rhombus because he has 2 straight lines, see, straight, straight, and 2 diagonal lines. So a rhombus has 4 diagonal lines, and a trapezoid has 2 diagonal lines. When we said his poem, he called them slanted. And we know slanted is diagonal. And then I want to show you one more shape. We learned honey hexagon. And a hexagon has 6 sides. That's a lot, isn't it? And it also has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 corners. Remember that? All right, I have some shapes here. And in a minute, you're going to tell me what they are. But before we do that, I want to go over the poems with you. Are you ready? For Randy Rhombus, the motions go like this. You're going to point to yourself. You're going to say, I'm Randy Rhombus. Try that. Say, I have 4 sides. Say, all of them are diagonal lines. And I want you to make a rhombus in the air. Diagonal lines. Good job, guys. Let's put it all together. I'm Randy Rhombus. I have 4 sides. All of them are diagonal lines. Awesome. Travis Trapezoid. Do you remember his song? Now, this is kind of silly, and I like to say trapezoid like a robot. Okay? Because that sounds like a robot word to me. Trapezoid. So I'm going to say his poem like I'm a robot. Are you ready? I'm Travis Trapezoid. I'm so great. I have 4 sides, 2 slanted and 2 straight. Do you guys want to try to talk like a robot? Okay. I'll say it first and you copy me. I'm Travis Trapezoid. I'm so great. I have 4 sides, 2 slanted and 2 straight. Woo! Good job, guys. Finally, honey hexagon. Now, I like to say honey hexagon like a little bumblebee. Bzzz. Because remember, we learned that hexagons are the shape that make up beehives, right? Okay, it goes like this. And I'm going to get my little bumblebee wings. I'm honey hexagon. I live in a hive. I have 6 corners and 6 sides. You ready? Okay, get your bumblebee wings. Copy me. I'm honey hexagon. I live in a hive. I have 6 corners and 6 sides. All right, guys. All right, here's our choices. Hexagon, trapezoid, and rhombus. Hexagon, trapezoid, rhombus. Okay, guys, first shape. Look at it. It has 6 corners and 6 sides. What is it? Very good. That's our hexagon. Hexagon, hexagon. You got one. What about this one? 4 sides. All of them are diagonal lines. Which shape had all 4 diagonal lines? Yes, it was a rhombus. Hey, that's even the same color. Blue, blue. What about this guy? I have 4 sides, 2 slanted, and 2 straight. Which shape has 2 slanted and 2 straight? Trapezoid. Trapezoid does. What about this one? Wait a minute. That's a square, isn't it? Miss Hines tried to trick you, didn't she? There's no square here, so square has to go back. You don't get to come out and play today, square. All right, what about this one? Oh, 4 sides, all diagonal lines. It's another kind of rhombus. Look at that, guys. One of them's a fat rhombus and one's a skinny rhombus. But they are both rhombuses, and no matter how I turn them, they're still a rhombus. So we're not going to call them diamonds anymore. We're going to call them rhombuses. And guys, that's all I have for today. We reviewed hexagons, trapezoids, and rhombuses. Guys, see if you can draw some of these shapes in your journal. These are hard ones. I know you guys can draw circles, triangles, squares, and rectangles because I've seen you do it. Now, who can draw a hexagon, a trapezoid, and a rhombus? Give it a try. Bye, guys.